In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense in Xero. From the Xero dashboard, open the main navigation. From there, head to Purchases. This area groups everything you buy for the business. Inside Purchases, choose Expenses. This is your central hub for recording out-of-pocket costs and company-paid purchases that aren't bills from suppliers. Next, select New Expense. A small menu will appear. Choose Expense Claim. This form is designed for quick one-off costs like travel, meals, subscriptions, or office supplies. It works whether the business paid directly or you paid personally and need reimbursement. Start by entering the purchase amount. Use the total shown on the receipt and be careful with decimal places. If your receipts include tax, make sure the amount reflects what you actually paid so your reports stay accurate. Add a clear description. Write something specific, like taxi from airport to client meeting, rather than a single word. Good descriptions make it easier for approvers, auditors, and your future self to understand what the cost was for. Under. How did you pay? Choose company money if the purchase was made using a business card or bank account. Choose personal money if you paid from your own funds and expect reimbursement. Picking the correct option tells Xero whether to post the cost to a business account or to a claim that will be paid back to you. In the Spent At field, select the contact associated with the purchase. That might be the store, vendor, or service provider named on the receipt. Using consistent contacts helps you see spending by supplier over time. Now, select the account. This is the expense account from your chart of accounts, such as travel, meals, software, or office expenses. If you're unsure, check your accounting policy or ask your advisor. Choosing the right account keeps your profit and loss meaningful and speeds up month-end close. When everything looks correct, click Approve. Approving finalizes the expense for processing. If it was marked as personal money, it will sit ready for reimbursement in your next pay run or expense payout, depending on your setup. If it was company money, it will post to the ledger so it can be matched when you reconcile your bank. That's it. You went to Purchases, opened Expenses, created a new expense claim, entered the amount and description, chose how it was paid, selected the contact and account, and approved it. Follow the same flow for each new expense to keep your books tidy and up to date.